Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix critical error in League of Legends game. Many users have reported that they were coming across critical error while launching or playing the game. So if you are also into the same situation, then go through this video guide and follow the methods one by one. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to check system requirements. For that, go to the right client, select your game from side, and now go below, and here you can see the requirements for your system. So check it and then try to play the game after fulfilling all the requirements, and then see if the error is fixed. Next solution, go to your desktop where shortcut folder is created, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Now check if the game is launching and you can play the game. Or next solution is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option here, search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it and then click on update driver, and after that search automatically for drivers option. This will install the latest drivers on your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. Or else I have also provided the link in the description from where you can directly download and install the graphics card as per your PC requirement. The next solution is to check for game updates. So go to your right client, select the game, and wherever you are seeing the play option, here there will be an update option visible. If any update is there, simply click on the update option, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed now. Next solution is to perform a clean boot. For that, you need to press Windows plus R to open the dialog box, and here type ms config and then click on OK. After this, go to the services tab over here, click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now you can see the apps under startup apps. Simply click and then after selecting it, click on disable option here, and after disabling it, close this and again go to the system configuration tab and now click on apply and then on OK. After doing this, restart your PC once and then check if the error is resolved and you can play the game. The next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So whatever in-game overlays are enabled, kindly disable them. For GeForce, simply go to the GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and from here you need to turn off in-game overlay option. And for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. The next solution is to repair League of Legends. So for that, go to the right client, here select your game, after that click on profile icon over here, then click on settings, and from here you need to tap on repair option. After clicking on repair option, the game will be repaired, and whatever error is coming through, hopefully it will be resolved and you can be able to play the game without any further problem. If not, the last option is to reinstall League of Legends game. For that, go to the search option over here, click on settings or search for settings option, then simply go to apps, then click on installed apps section. Here search for your game where it has been installed. Go below, search for League of Legends, click on 3-dot icon and then click on uninstall option. This will uninstall the app from your system. After that, restart your PC once and then again reinstall the game on your PC and then relaunch it, and now check if the error that you are coming across while playing League of Legends game is resolved or not. So all these are some of the best solutions to fix critical error in League of Legends game. That's all for now. Thank you.